front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose accessibility features and tap on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it and follow those instructions. I have tricky navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the bottom of the screen. So now when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on the blank area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!